The danger of lip trills. This is Eleonora and I'm Pierre. Eleonora, do you have a minute? Please, this is urgent. I think I might be ruining my voice.
Pierre, what the hell happened? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Worse than a ghost. Lip trills. Lip trills. I've been reading all these articles and watching videos and Eleonora, they say they are dangerous. Dangerous, as in potentially damaging to your voice. My voice. I thought they were supposed to be gentle warm-ups, but now I'm completely freaked out.
Okay, that's quite a leap. Sit down and breathe. Now, tell me, what exactly did you read?
It's everywhere. They say lip trills are deceptively bad because they're so common, that most singers do them wrong, that they give you this false sense of improvement because everything sounds smoother during the trill, but in reality you're just masking all your bad habits. And the worst part, they say that if you overdo them or do them with tension in your face or jaw, they can lead to vocal burnout or reinforce tension instead of releasing it.
That's not entirely wrong, but it's also not the whole picture. Go on.
And get this, some singers apparently push so much air just to keep the trill going that they create glottal tension, like actual pressure on their vocal folds. One side even said you can lose control of airflow and start feeling dizzy or tight in the throat.
You're quoting the whole article, aren't you?
Yes, because it terrified me. I've been doing lip trills every day before singing. What if I've been doing them wrong all this time? What if I've been hurting my voice instead of warming it up? And now I'm worried every time I blow too hard or I feel even a bit of tension in my cheeks. I even caught myself puckering once, and now I'm paranoid that I've trained my muscles to sing with tension instead of freedom. Maybe I should stop doing them altogether?
Pierre, take a breath. A deep one, okay? Good. Now exhale slowly. Okay, first of all, I'm really glad you're thinking critically about your technique. That tells me you're becoming more aware of your voice, and that's a good thing. But let's not fall into the trap of fear. The truth is, yes, lip trills can be misused, but they're not dangerous in and out of themselves. The danger lies in how they are used.
So they're not a scam?
No, lip trills aren't some vocal trickster out to sabotage your singing career. They're one of the most useful tools we have, if we use them correctly. Let me explain. The reason lip trills are so popular is because they create something called a semi-occluded vocal tract, or SOVT for short. That means there's some resistance in the airflow which helps balance subglottal pressure and reduces strain on the vocal folds. That's a fancy way of saying they make singing easier and healthier, when done well.
Okay, that part I think I understood, but then where do people go wrong?
Excellent question. There are a few common traps. First, overblowing. Many singers think that to keep the lips vibrating, they need to push tons of air. That's a huge mistake. If you're forcing air, it often means your breath coordination or posture is off. You're compensating for something. That kind of pushing can cause tension and fatigue. Instead, the trill should feel effortless. Just enough air to make your lips flutter gently like a leaf floating on the breeze and not a hurricane.
I might be guilty of that. I do feel like I'm blowing hard sometimes.
That's okay. It's fixable. But it is a sign to revisit your breathing technique. Try this. Lie down flat and do a lip trill while focusing on releasing tension from your belly and throat. If you feel you're straining, stop and adjust. Second problem, facial tension. When people struggle to make the lip trills, they often try to help the sound by clenching the cheeks, tensing the jaw, or puckering the lips. They are all counterproductive. You're supposed to be training your voice to work with less tension and not more.
Ugh, that's me. I definitely tense my jaw when I'm trying to get through longer scales.
Then simplify. Use shorter, easier scales until the trill becomes natural. And here's a great tip. Hold your cheeks up gently with your fingers, not squeezing, just supporting them. It takes the pressure off the surrounding muscles so your lips can vibrate freely. Also, if lip trills continue to feel strained, don't force them. Try a tongue trill or even better, straw phonation in water. The principle is similar. Resistance, gentle pressure and relaxation.
Straw phonation. I've seen that with a cup of water, right?
Yes, it can be an amazing alternative if your lips won't cooperate. And remember, every voice is different. Tools are just tools, you don't have to use them all.
So I don't have to banish lip trills from my warm-up?
No, you don't have to. But here's the most important thing. Never rely on them alone. Lip trills can make everything sound pretty, smooth even. But that can be deceptive. If you're not backing it up with real breath support and proper vowel shaping, the moment you move from a trill to an actual sung phrase, all the problems come back. Sometimes worse.
That explains why I feel like my voice sounds amazing during warm-ups, but then shaky when I switch to singing. I thought it was in my head.
No, not just in your head. That's why I always say lip trills are a diagnostic tool, not a final result. They help reveal issues in airflow and placement, but they should always be followed by vowel-based exercises so you can transfer what you learned into actual singing.
That makes so much sense. Like using them as a bridge, not the destination.
Exactly. And here's one more thing, Pierre. Trust your body. If something feels wrong, like tightness, dizziness, or you feel some vocal fatigue, that's your body giving you feedback. Listen to it. Pause and re-evaluate. You're not failing if you stop and adjust. You're learning.
Okay, so let me try to sum this up. Lip trills are not inherently dangerous, but they can be misused if I push too much air, use facial tension, or treat them like a magic fix. Instead, I should aim for gentle airflow, relax facial muscles, and use them alongside other exercises, not in isolation. And I should pay attention to how they feel, not just how they sound.
Yes, that's a good summary.
Wow, I feel a lot better. I was seriously thinking of throwing lip trills out of my routine. But now it's like I just needed to update how I use them. Now I leave Eleonora for 6 seconds and talk to you directly. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video. Back to Eleonora. So my question was, I just needed to update how I use them.
Yes. Techniques evolve as you evolve. What worked before might need tweaking. That's the beauty of voice training. It's a constant dialogue between you and your body.
Thank you, Eleonora. Seriously, this was the voice version of a panic attack. You've brought me back from the brink.
That is good. I'm always here for your vocal emergencies.
Okay, Eleonora, I get it. Lip trills can be safe and useful, but I feel like I've been flailing around with them. Could you give me like an actual plan? Specific exercises?
Of course, I walk you through 4 structured lip trill exercises. Each one builds on a different vocal skill. I also tell you why they work, what they help with and how to avoid doing them wrong, okay?
Perfect, let's go.
Exercise number 1, 5-tone scale lip trill. We'll start simple. A 5-tone scale on a lip trill. This is your foundation. Ready?
As long as I don't pass out, go ahead.
Step 1. Take a slow, low breath. Your stomach should move and not your chest. Step 2. Start a gentle lip trill at a mid-range pitch, something that feels easy. Step 3. Sing a 5-note scale, do, re, mi, re, do, while keeping the trill steady. Step 4. Keep your face relaxed and airflow smooth. No puffing, no pushing.
Okay. So not a pressure blow competition. Got it.
Yes, this works because it encourages balance. That means your breath, folds and support. They all have to coordinate gently. It's a great way to warm up your voice without strain.
And the benefits?
The benefits are like smooth pitch transitions, relaxed onset and release, light vocal fold contact and easy warm up before singing.
Are there traps I should avoid?
Yes, pushing too much air is a big one. If your lips need force to vibrate, something's off in your breath. And watch out for jaw or cheek tension. If needed, hold your cheeks lightly with your fingers. Gentle support and not squeezing. Like this.
Okay, I do it now.
That was okay. Our next exercise is the Lip Trills Siren. That's an octave slide.
Sirens sound fun and slightly terrifying.
They are one of my favorites. Sirens are octave slides on a trill. Think of gliding like a ghost between notes, no jumps and just flow.
I can already feel my voice cracking.
Okay. Step by step, let's break it down. First, inhale fully and stay relaxed. Step 2, start the lip trill at a low pitch. Step 3, glide slowly up to a comfortable high pitch and don't force anything. Step 4, glide back down, still trill, still relaxed, and repeat it. Like this.
I do it now.
Repeat that one more time. And try to keep your lips trilled when you come down. Yeah, that was better. It was slightly off pitch on top, but it's okay. Next one. Yeah, that was good. The next one we will do slightly higher so that you can switch to head voice. Or switch to falsetto, better said. That's too high. You're going too high. One more time. It's still too high. Yeah, that was good.
So it's about connecting my registers.
Yes, it helps smooth out breaks between chest, mix and head voice. Your voice learns to move freely through range without grabbing or pushing.
And the benefits?
The benefits are that it increases vocal flexibility and smooths out register transitions. It also reduces cracking and strain at the passaggio. It is a great exercise for warming up your range.
And dangers?
There are two main ones. Overreaching, trying to hit notes you're not ready for yet. The second danger is tensing your throat or lifting your voice up instead of allowing it to glide.
And how do I keep it safe?
Use only your easy range at first. If the trill cuts out, that's a red flag. Slow it down, lighten your airflow and maybe shorten the range until you build stability. Our next exercise is the lip trill with straw phonation in water.
Oh, the straw thing. I saw that online. People bubbling in water like they're brewing potions.
Exactly. It's called straw phonation, and when you combine it with lip trills, you're creating an incredible, gentle, pressure-balanced vocal environment.
So, how do I do it?
Step 1. Fill a glass with about 2 inches of water and place a narrow straw in it. Step 2. Take a calm breath and start a gentle lip trill. Step 3. Put the straw in your mouth and sing a short scale while bubbling. I recommend something simple like 1-3-5-3-1. Step 4. Watch the bubbles. They should be small and even. If they are aggressive or splashing, you're pushing too hard.
And why the water?
It gives you visual feedback on airflow. The bubbling creates resistance, which makes your vocal folds vibrate with minimal effort. It's a reset button for your voice. Like this. Now with the straw.
Okay, I do it now. So it's like the lip trill, but even more forgiving.
Yes, especially if you struggle with tension. It helps balance pressure and align posture too.
And what could go wrong?
Overblowing, again, and puffing your cheeks. Both of those mess with airflow and tension. Keep your cheeks gently lifted and blow just enough for small bubbles.
This one sounds super useful for me.
It is good for tired voices or days when things just feel off. Exercise number 4, lip trill into vowel transition.
Okay, what's that final, boss?
This one connects your lip trills to actual singing. The goal is to transfer the coordination you built on the trill into vowels, where it really matters.
Ooh, this is where the real test begins.
Exactly. Here's how. Step 1, start with a 5-tone scale on a lip trill. Step 2, after a couple of repetitions, repeat the same scale using a vowel like O or U. Step 3, alternate between lip trill and vowel. Focus on keeping the airflow and ease the same. Step 4, notice any differences. Does your throat tighten on the vowel or are you losing support? Like this.
Okay, I do it now.
Again. Yeah, that is really good.
Surprise, surprise! And why is this transition important?
Because lip trills aren't your final destination, they're a training tool. If you sound great on a trill but fall apart on vowels, it means you're not truly connected yet. This helps bridge that gap.
So it's like a diagnostic and a skill builder.
Yes,
And what are the risks?
pushing too much on the vowel, especially after the ease of the trill, or trying to sing pretty instead of staying supported.
And how do I keep it safe?
Start with easy vowels like U or E. Don't worry about sounding beautiful, worry about feeling balanced. Record yourself and see if the energy and tone match between the trill and the vowel.
So let me see if I got this. 1, 5-tone scale builds basic coordination. 2, sirens help with the range and register blending. 3, straw phonation in water balances breath and pressure. And finally 4, trill to vowel transition tests and strengthens the real world application.
That's it.
And in all of them I need to avoid blowing too hard, watch for facial tension, start easy and monitor feedback, use alternatives if trills don't come easily.
You've got it, Pierre. These are powerful tools when used with intention. Lip trills aren't about sounding fancy, they're about building real coordination and vocal health. Use them wisely and they'll help you for life.
This was amazing. I'm going to print this and tape it to my wall. Thanks, Eleonora.
My pleasure. Now go trill smartly.
Thanks again, Eleonora. Do you want to sing yourself with real power and soul? Do you want to see how Eleonora nails opera, contemporary music, and songwriting? Then click the link below the video or go directly to superiorsingingcoach.com. That is superiorsingingcoach.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video.